Nick is going to show Mommy how he's so good at sitting. He's getting really good at this. Very good. Look at him. Can you rock? Can you go like this? You do. That's right. This is the chair that Grandpa made Mommy when she was just 1 year old. And Grandpa did one extra little thing. Before Grandma and Grandpa brought it to us, Grandpa put on Nicholas's name right there. See, there's Mommy's name. There's Nicholas's name. And then, here, you want to see what Mommy's doing, Nick?
Nene.
And then, there's the year after Mommy was born. And the year after Nicholas's, well, 2 years actually that Nicholas was born. So, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. You're stuck. Hey. What are you doing? Can you say hi? Hi. What's this, Nick?
Hello.
That's right. I love you. Mommy loves you. Want Mommy to turn the chair around? You sit. Go sit. Ready? Here we go. How's that? Better? Okay. I guess Mommy's lap is better. So, bye-bye now. Can you say bye-bye, Nick?
Mama.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Mama.